Hi, we're the HBP Group and we help manufacturers improve their business through MRP software and manufacturing solutions. Now, if you're a manufacturer that works in the agricultural industry, either supplying equipment or products to that industry, then it's likely that MRP is going to be a great choice for you, and in particular, Advanced Business Cloud Essentials. The chances are that, depending on what you provide, and obviously this can range from machinery through to things like fertilizer and everything in between there. But ultimately, if you're dealing with the agricultural industry, there's a lot of similarity across that business. Chances are you might be dealing with things like kits, so actually several products that work together very well, going together in a kit and selling them together. You're also probably dealing with service, warranty, potentially returns as well. And both of those things can be managed really easily and combined within Advanced Business Cloud Essentials. So obviously you can understand your stock position, what you've got at the moment, what you need to buy, what you need to either manufacture or assemble. But also once those have been created and sold, you'll be able to look after them from a traceability point of view to understand whether or not they're still covered by warranty, or in the worst case scenario, if there's a problem with any of those kits or individual items, actually do product recalls and trace those back to who else might have been affected. The other key thing, obviously, within the agricultural industry is understanding your customers really well. And the CRM functionality is absolutely key here. It enables us to understand what people have ordered from us in the past, and obviously drive repeat orders as well. So if one of your customers goes quiet or hasn't bought for a period of time, or normally buy at the same period of time each year, then you can action that and you can see when that's been happening. On top of that, Advanced Business Cloud Essentials gives you all the functionality you need to run your business. So things like production scheduling, understanding obviously what resource you've got available, what orders you've got in the system, and when you need to produce them in order to keep your customers happy. But also it provides full capabilities for managing your accounts and ultimately your reports as well. So you'll be able to understand things like profit of each product, profit of each customer, and also keep your suppliers true as well by understanding their performance to your business of when they're supplying the goods that you need to manufacture your products. Now, the best way to understand whether or not it's going to be a good fit for you and a good fit for your business is to request our free business process review. So our free business process review, as the name suggests, is completely free, but it allows us to look at 3 key areas in your business. So 3 areas that you're either struggling with or have challenge with or would like to improve. We'll map out those processes visually so you can understand how you're currently working, but also then map out what they would look like by using an MRP solution like Advanced Business Cloud Essentials. So it's really easy and really straightforward, and there's a huge amount of value in there for you. So if you're interested, just fill out the form for our free business process review and we'll be in touch to get the ball rolling.